Hey, welcome back guys, it's CITRO here with another video. I'm going to go ahead and introduce you guys to a incredible new video. You guys are going to be learning how to do text designs, and you're going to develop 4. So you got first, it's going to be objects. Second one is going to be letter. The third one is going to be backdrop, and the last one is going to be text. And the first one is going to be objects. So objects, as you can see in this video right now, you guys are watching part of me editing a design. So objects is what we would use as to cover up or overlay the text design, and the text design is objects. So you would use certain squares, shapes, different kinds, and overlap that on the text itself. So that is the first one, objects. You learn on the first one is you're gonna learn to overlay stuff, and you're gonna learn to do contrast for the text design itself. So the second one is letters. Letters itself, it's complicated, but when you get used to it and once you feel creative, try not to overwhelm yourself with it. So when you do letter design, you want to go ahead and create a letter itself, but go in each individual letter and design how would you want it. Like if it was like an old rusty look of a letter, go ahead and each individual design, go ahead and cut it off or make shapes or something like it's more of degraded over the years, So that is the second one, and that is the letter tips on text design itself. Third one will be the backdrop and all that. So I've learned on Twitter, a guy named AZPR, I think that's right. I've seen in his header design that they're in the text in the middle, and then on the outer side it's more of a blossom of different things like triangles, shapes, and different kind of cool designs spread out in the middle, and the text is more prominent in the middle, and then things are spread out, and it's more of an abyss in the outside of the header, so that it's more of a contrast in the middle and more of the text pops. So that's more of a cool thing to do, is a backdrop as more of an abyss on the outside, and more as you go in, you kind of learn to make things pop and different shapes and sizes that would come out and everything. Implement that as a text design, and that's very short and easy. I think that would be easy. All you have to do is implement things and shapes and everything into a different cool place and manipulate that for your life. That is the third one, backdrop or background. Okay, all right, that's number 4. It is the texture in text design. All right, so in texture is also a good thing. So I will go ahead and show you this photo up here. That's right here. As you look at this text right here, you see cool different kind of textures and cracks and leaves and all that, which will kind of manipulate on what the background and what the design looks like itself. It will also explain to you, and also describes what it would I guess emotionally, and what it would physically look like and all this, and how it would be overgrown and everything. So on number 2, it's letters, because in the text design on letters, you would chop out different things and then also add texture as well to that design in the 4 things that I've told. And if you use them all together, or you could manipulate it if you want, but when you do all together and everything, perfection right there, buddy. That's it. I mean, Lord, yeah, texture, you can do a lot of things. If you got found like stocks, and they're like plain stocks, and it's not more of like the background of the outside, more of like leaves and texture like rocks and stuff like that. So those are the 4 things that you are going to learn and go ahead to implement into your design, all about text design. So just leave a like, dislike, subscribe, share, comment your opinions and your different things that you want to leave down below, and what you guys think about these 4 tips on design. That's all I have to say for today, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. You guys have a wonderful day. CITRO out.